Hello there, Boots Owen here. It's late at night. Just found this Hotpoint WM54 I've got at home. It's an oldie. It's clearly a bit rusty, but look at this. It's all steel. There's no plastic paddles. That's the drum. This looks like the tub. The tub appears to be steel as well. There's a bit of something in there. It's not exactly clean, but sounds okay. Rusty there. WM54P 89107-087. Somebody will know the date. Somebody will know when this was made. It's a 1000 washer, which presumably means 1000 spin. Click through. So it's a proper old school affair. Looks fairly fresh as a Hotpoint goes. Made in Great Britain. This is an oldie. You don't often see these. They don't come up very often. It looks like somebody was overfilling the soap drawer. The soap drawer was spilling or something. That's why the water's all along here and down there. I wonder if this is one of the ones with the motor up on top. It was taped up, left outside a house, abandoned, and I took it. What can I do with this? It might be worth seeing if it works. I think as well, it has a hot and cold fill. Yeah, look at that. Very rare. You don't see them like this anymore. What do you think? Tell me all you know about it. I'll put this video up straight away and we'll come back to it later. WM54, I think that's an old one. Leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. See you later.